If you are uploading a video in this 2026 and you are seeing a low views, don't panic, you are not alone. The algorithm have changed, but I have got a tools that will help to beat this algorithm so that you see a massive views in your channel. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you are going to use your Vidiq app to get a massive views in your channel. Whether you have one subscriber, two subscriber, 2,000 subscribers, this video is for you because these tools will help you to maximize your SEO for a massive views in your channel. Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube Growth with Francisca. Step number one is finding low hanging fruit keyword. Do you understand? Now the mistake that most creators make is guessing their keywords. Now we are not going to guess our keyword, we are going to find the keywords that you are going to use for our particular titles. Okay, now let's make use of this Vidiq app to find our keywords that we are going to use.
First,
Okay,
you click on this icon here. Okay, when you click on it, you wait for it to download. Something like daily ideas, competitors, trend alerts, most viewed, channel audits, keyword inspector. Then you click on your keyword inspector. Do you understand? So let's wait for it to download. At this interface, you click on it like this, then type YouTube growth. Do you understand? So now let's see the golden keywords that will come out from it. Get to this particular search. Do you understand? So now you are going to find either the medium or the low or very low competitors. Okay, now you can see the latest score, search volume, competition, overall score. So now this search volume is amount of people that search it in a month, and this competition is how many people are making use of this particular keywords. Do you understand? So now you are going to look for the one that have high search volume with medium or low or very low competitors. Now let's check for the one that have high search volume. Okay, how to get more views on YouTube has monthly search volume of 105,584 people searching for it in a month. Then the competition there is medium. Do you understand? So if we make use of this particular keyword, how to get more views on YouTube, you are going to have that is people are going to be clicking on it. Okay, and at the end of the month, if you have a good content, you are going to have a total view of this these views here. Now that this search volume of this you are going to have a good click on your video. The only thing you have to do is to make sure you have a good thumbnail. You create a good video, have a good thumbnail and a good title, which is this how to get more views on YouTube. Okay, so now
two is hitting 50-50 on our SEO score. Okay, now let me show you how you are going to check your SEO score to know how your video is going to perform very well. Now let's go. So when you come to this interface, now you are going to choose a particular video that you want to use to check your SEO or for your SEO. Okay, now here this is the SEO score here. Okay, there's something I want to show you there. Now let me zoom it. So the total SEO score here is 48.1 all over 50. Why is it like that? Now let me show you. If you watch, the tag count is 4 over 5, then triple keyword 5 over 5, then keyword in title 5 over 5, keyword in description 5 over 5, and tag follow 5 over 5. Do you understand? Now let me show you something this side to explain this thing more better. So guys, if you look very well at the title here, I placed how to get that 1,000 subscribers is my keyword. Okay, now coming to the description again, you will see that's how to get 1,000 subscribers at the description. Do you understand? I'm explaining the triple keywords there. Then you see how to get the 1,000 subscribers. It is at the description. You can see where I underline it so that you understand what I mean. Then coming to the tags, let me show you. At the tags down there, you also see the first and second keyword there. You also see how to get the 1,000 subscribers. Wait, Okay, see it here. Then it is at the hashtags here now. Then coming to the tags, you also see it there. Do you understand? So this is it here. 1000 subscribers is the first one. Then how to get 1000 subscribers on YouTube. How to get a 1000 subscribers, okay? Now the step 3 is the winning click, okay? If you have a good SEO, but nobody clicks on your video, that means you're not going to get any views. It is as simple as that. Now this is what you're going to use. You're going to go over to Vidiq, use thumbnail preview to check your thumbnail whether it stands out among your competitors. Do you understand? Now if your thumbnail doesn't stand out among your competitors before uploading, automatically you know that you are going to change that thumbnail. Do you understand? Step the step 4 is the optimization loop. Do you understand? Now if you have an old videos, you can use your optimization loop to go and revive those videos. Do you understand? Like for example, now if you have an old videos that the title is outdated and the rest of them, you can use that optimization loop to update your title, your description, your tags, and the hashtags. Do you understand? So when you are here, you click on this video queue icon here. Okay, when you click on it, you allow it to load.
When you come to this interface, you click on this optimization here. Okay, see the optimization. When you come to this interface, you can see title and thumbnail. Those ones on yellow, you need to touch it so that it will be green in color. Do you understand? Like this particular video here that have yellow title here and thumbnail yellow number here. You know what you will do there? You just go straight and change the title, okay, so that because so that it will attract more views. Do you understand? The more greener your thumbnail is, the more it attracts people to your channel. Okay,
Getting a massive views on your channel isn't a magic. It is mass. Use these tools to put the odds in your favor. Do you understand? I want you to try these tools and comment how much your SEO score improve in your next video. Okay. Thanks so much for watching, and please, if you watch this up to this point, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Okay. And please don't forget to watch this particular video here. Okay. See you in my next video.